Hey guys, welcome to my another video, and in this video I'm going to show you the second part of my voice assistant called SARA. So I'm not gonna take too much time, but I will show this from start. And so let's get started. Play. Press enter to start.
Hello,
Okay.
I am Sarah, your digital assistant. Please enter your name. Now, your favorite work. Next, your email address. Make sure that you have enabled less secured app access in your Gmail account or you won't be able to send emails through Gmail. Finally, enter your password.
So this is my temporary ID, and we have to look for one thing that the least secure app access in our Gmail must be enabled. So here it's enabled, and
Okay,
let's go.
so you are Sanglap.
So let's
Nice
start
name.
from the first.
Good evening, Sanglap. Now, we are ready to go. Hearing.
Grand Theft Auto Wiki.
Understanding. Searching Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia, Claude is a fictional character and the protagonist of Grand Theft Auto 3, a game in the
Okay.
Grand Theft Auto series by Rockstar Games. He also has a cameo appearance in a later game Grand Theft Auto, San Andreas. Claude is a silent protagonist, and therefore has no voice actor. The game never disclosed Claude's name, it was later revealed in data files. Rockstar never had any specific inspiration when developing Claude. Hearing.
Play Shape of You.
Understanding. Okay. Check out. Hearing.
Search for German Shepherd.
Understanding.
Shape of You here.
Fine. Searching results. Check out search results.
Okay.
Hearing.
Go to youtube.com.
Understanding.
Okay, search for German Shepherd. Here you can see, guys, this search, and it played the music well, but I'm using earplug, so it's just blasting my ears, so it's taking time.
Okay. Going to youtube.com. Done. Hearing.
Mm,
Understanding.
of too sensitive. You can see it's it to went to youtube.com. Okay, next we will command it to
Sorry.
launch an app.
Didn't get it. Hearing.
Leave it. Start program files.
Understanding. Launching start program files. Hearing. Understanding.
I said nothing.
Sorry. Didn't get it. Hearing.
Send email.
Understanding. Okay. Whom to send?
So here I will enter my own email address. So at first let me open Gmail from here. So let it load, and okay, here I'm pressing enter.
Now tell me what to say. Listening.
Message using SARA.
Recognizing.
We did not take that full sentence.
Done. Email has been sent.
Okay, email was
Hearing.
sent. Say nothing.
Understanding.
So you can see it send me an email. Is using SARA, so I said message and it did not take the total thing.
Nothing.
Okay,
Hearing.
I said nothing and it said nothing. Hello SARA.
Understanding. Hi Sanglap. How can I help you? Hearing.
How are you?
Understanding. Sorry. Didn't get it. Hearing.
How are you?
Understanding. I am fine, thank you for asking. Hearing.
Who am I?
Understanding. You are, Sanglap. Who likes programming? Hearing.
Uh, who are you?
Understanding. I am Sarah, your voice assistant made by Sanglap in Python. Please go and check out Sanglap. Hearing.
Hey SARA.
Understanding. Ready to help you. Hearing.
Launch an app.
Understanding. Sorry. Didn't get it. Hearing.
Launch an app.
Understanding. Which application should I open? Listening.
Photoshop.
Recognizing. Opening Photoshop.
Okay.
Hearing.
Delete. Exit SARA.
Understanding. Thank you Sanglap for giving me your valuable time. Bye. Have a good day.
So guys, it's done and you can see here the Photoshop is launched also, where I did not open it. So it works well, but there is only one problem, that its speech recognition power is not too good. So I'm doing it with limited assets, so please don't mind, and you can use this with your code, or you can compile it and then you can use. But I am having problem in compiling it, so I'm not gonna compile it.